guys, I look so crusty right now, but my name's Lindsay if you didn't know. Today I will be showing you guys how to do natural makeup that will enhance your features. Ho. Oh, sorry, I was just reading something. But anyways, I will be showing you guys how to do natural makeup to enhance your features. Hi! I'm just gonna start off by putting my hair in a ponytail so that when I am putting on makeup or lip gloss, it does not stick to my face. I do not look good in a ponytail. I just ate food and I am full. I'm so annoying today and I apologize. School's tomorrow and I just want to die. I don't want to go. Let's get started. Obviously, if you're gonna start your makeup, you need to moisturize. But before you moisturize, you gotta put on your toner. Like,
what are you doing? Do you want good skin?
I haven't been using my toner lately, and I'm just not having a good face time. Oh my god. And today I practiced waking up at 5 a.m. and I literally almost died. Next, after toner, is the moisturizer. I don't get people that put on foundation without moisturizing their skin because it just feels wrong. You know what I mean? So after you put on some foundation. Okay, so I'm using the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Let's get one pump. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but yeah. You get your little sponge. Mine is disgusting. I'm back. And better than ever. Where's that from again? And now we are just going to take some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline one. I'm just gonna dot. And then on like your problem spots. And you're gonna blend that out. I'm also practicing doing my makeup faster because lately I've just been taking my time. I never, ever have time to really finish my makeup or get my makeup to look the way I want it to. And on a daily basis, I don't really wear that much makeup anyway. I'm so annoying today. What's next? Now that our face is all done, we're gonna move on to our brows. And what you're gonna do is you are going to just lightly fill them in. There's no need to go all Instagram brow on them. Haters. I literally use eyeliner as eyebrows. Yeah, I just dab a little bit. But yeah, you're gonna just fill them in lightly. Like, there's literally no difference in between those two. It's just, this is just slightly darker. I'm done with my eyebrows. Next will be some eyeshadow. And all I do is just take a light brown color. You can literally use like bronzer or contour like this. Just like a light brown. And one dip. Literally, this is all I need because my eyes are f***ing tiny. This lighting is making it look like I'm actually putting makeup on, but I'm not. This is actually way too much for a natural look, so I'm just gonna kind of pat it down. It just gives it a little spunk. And then next, you just do your regular mascara. There's really nothing special to it, so okay. And that is so annoying. I'm literally trying to brush it out, but it won't brush out. There we go. Alright, so I have my mascara on. Okay, my lips are so chapped right now, and I was gonna save lip for last, but I guess we're gonna have to do it right now because mine are just so chapped, and yeah, they're just chapped and I just need something. I like to use the Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil. It's kind of the best thing ever. Is it worth it? It was $6. It was $60 and it was tutti frutti. Is the $6 lip oil really worth it? I think so. I don't really know. I'm so tired. So next is you take your concealer again. This is when we're really gonna kind of just go in and highlight. Okay, well, just wipe it off. Don't wipe it off. Just kind of like get rid of some products and make like little lines down your nose. What you're gonna do is, I have no idea because I've never done this before. Blend it out with your finger. Or your beauty blender, whatever you have. So after it's blended in, it'll obviously look a little bit different than before because you just highlighted. And what's next? Rock and roll McDonald's. But after you do that, this is an option, but you should use some powder. I fucking love powder. It saves my life sometimes. It also just makes my skin look better. Take out some powder. I have this much. I'm gonna use it for both sides. So I'm just gonna press there once. And press here. So it should just look like this. I'm just gonna blend it in, but also like blend it up because this part of my face doesn't dry. It also just keeps the foundation in place. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm talking about because I'm not a beauty guru, but I take a little bit more on the little tip, a little bit more powder, and put it directly onto the places that you have an issue with. I am so tired, but yeah, now your face is set, and these are optional. But if you still feel like your face is like way too natural, I'm gonna use a bit of blush. Get a little bit on there and you just brush it on. I realized that I like blush when I went on TikTok and all these girls had blush on, right? And so I was like, what the heck? Why does blush look good on them? So that's when I was like, let me try this. Oh yeah, I just put a little bit on my nose too. But then after that, this is optional too. And just brush that on. Yes, I use the same one because I'm broke and I don't want to buy brushes. I don't need a lot of brushes because I kind of like when everything blends together and it's just contour and blush were optional. I am so out of it. I'm so sorry. We're going to highlight our nose. I like to use the shade in here called Primavera as a highlight because it's such a pretty color and it literally works so well. And then just apply it on the tip of your nose. Yay! And it looks so pretty. Rock and roll McDonald's. That's about it. And this is optional, but I put highlighter on. I literally use this brush because once again, I'm not about to go out and buy makeup brushes. Apply just a bit of highlighter if you want. Lastly, lips. So the first thing I do is I just put a little bit of lip balm. Just any kind of lip balm. Put enough so that your lips are slippery. And then I take the qUiCk Black Cherry Lip Balm. When you have the lip balm on, it stops the lip balm from getting too dark. And so that's why I put it on before I put this on. And then after that, I take a shimmery lip gloss or just any kind of lip gloss and put it on. But we are done, guys. This is what it should look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.